Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to this presentation on DTC P0722, which stands for Output Shaft, Counter Shaft, Speed Sensor, No Signal Input. This diagnostic trouble code affects the Honda Accord models from 2012 to 2017. The issue occurs when the output shaft speed sensor fails to send a signal to the powertrain control module, or PCM. The output shaft speed sensor is a crucial component located on the outside of the vehicle's transmission housing. It generates a pulsing signal that corresponds to the speed of the park gear, allowing the PCM to determine the speed of the vehicle accurately. When this sensor is not functioning properly, it can lead to improper shifting, reduced performance, and potentially unsafe driving conditions. In this presentation, we will explore the description of the error, possible causes, symptoms, troubleshooting steps, and preventive maintenance to ensure optimal vehicle performance. Preventive maintenance is key in maintaining the integrity of the output shaft speed sensor and its associated systems. Regular sensor checks can help identify issues before they become serious problems, improving both vehicle safety and longevity. Routine inspections of the wiring ensure that environmental factors do not lead to degradation over time. Additionally, keeping the PCM updated with the latest software can greatly improve overall performance and reduce malfunction risks. Preventive maintenance not only safeguards against potential issues, but also enhances the driving experience. Incorporating these practices into your vehicle's care regimen will assist in sustaining reliability and operational efficiency. In conclusion, understanding DTC P0722 is vital for both effective vehicle maintenance and ensuring a safe driving experience. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps diligently, technicians can accurately diagnose and repair the issue associated with the output shaft speed sensor. Recognizing symptoms and potential causes plays a crucial role in fostering timely interventions that prevent further complications. Additionally, committing to preventive maintenance helps avoid future problems by keeping key components functioning optimally. Equipped with detailed knowledge about electronic control systems in vehicles, you can enhance your repair skills and longevity of the Honda Accord. This knowledge ultimately contributes to safer roads and better vehicle reliability. The output shaft speed sensor is responsible for providing an accurate measurement of the speed of the output shaft in the transmission. Located on the outside of the transmission housing, it generates a pulsing signal that is essential for the operation of the powertrain control module, or PCM. This PCM uses the pulses from the output shaft speed sensor alongside the input shaft speed sensor to calculate vehicle speed. If the sensor fails to send any signal, the PCM interprets this as a malfunction. This could be due to reasons such as an open circuit, a temporary open circuit, or even a short to ground. Therefore, the correlation between the output shaft speed sensor and other sensors is vital for the PCM to function correctly. If it detects no pulses while the output shaft is rotating, a diagnostic trouble code is triggered. Understanding possible causes is essential for diagnosing DTC P0722 accurately. One of the primary causes could be a short to ground in the output shaft speed sensor line, leading to a failure in sending the necessary signals. Alternatively, there might be an open circuit due to factors such as a loose connector, which interrupts the flow of signals. The output shaft speed sensor itself might be failing, either due to wear and tear or damage from environmental exposure. Moreover, if everything seems fine with the sensor and connections, the internal circuitry of the powertrain control module may be at fault. These potential causes highlight the need for a thorough investigation before jumping to conclusions, ensuring that every possible scenario is considered. The symptoms associated with DTC P0722 can significantly affect the vehicle's drivability. The malfunction indicator lamp, or MIL, is illuminated when the fault is detected, serving as the driver's first warning sign. Additionally, the automatic transmission gear position indicator will blink, alerting the driver to a potential issue. Drivers may experience poor vehicle performance, including reduced acceleration and power. Another notable symptom is rough shifting, where the vehicle may jerk or hesitate during gear changes. Additionally, when attempting to accelerate, the vehicle may display inconsistent speed readings, leading to a decline in overall driving safety. Recognizing these symptoms early can help prevent further damage and costly repairs. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0722 involves starting the engine and ensuring it is in proper working order. Once the engine is running, you need to drive the vehicle at a minimum speed of 13 miles per hour or 20 kilometers per hour, which is critical for generating the necessary signals for monitoring. This speed threshold is essential because the system won't activate below this limit. Maintain this speed for at least 10 seconds to allow the powertrain control module, or PCM, to register the output shaft speed accurately. It's crucial to perform this test under safe traffic conditions, ensuring compliance with road regulations. The data collected during this step will help determine whether the issue persists or if it was a temporary fault. The second step focuses on the integrity of the connections and wiring associated with the output shaft speed sensor. Inspecting the sensor wiring for any signs of wear, fraying, or corrosion is vital, as these could lead to interruptions in signal transmission. Additionally, check the connections at both the sensor and the powertrain control module for security. Loose or corroded connections may prevent the sensor from sending data properly. It's equally important to ensure that there are no ground shorts in the wiring harness, as this could cause false readings or complete signal loss. Properly maintained electrical pathways are crucial for the sensor's functionality and the health of the entire transmission system. In the third step of troubleshooting, you will need to test the output shaft speed sensor directly. Using a multimeter, you can obtain readings from the sensor to determine if it is functioning within specified parameters. It's important to refer to the specifications laid out in the diagnostic manual for accurate values. Any deviations from these readings may indicate a failing sensor in need of replacement. This step is essential because even if the wiring appears intact, the sensor itself could be malfunctioning, leading to DTC P0722. Assessing the sensor's performance provides crucial insights into the vehicle's transmission health. The fourth step involves inspecting the functionality of the powertrain control module, or PCM. Check for any additional error codes that may indicate larger systemic issues affecting performance. If the output shaft speed sensor appears to be working properly and wiring is intact, the PCM itself might be at fault. You can reset the system to determine whether the error reoccurs or if it was a temporary issue that resolved itself. This reset function helps in clearing any adaptive memory that may contribute to erroneous signals. By evaluating the PCM's responses, you can ascertain whether further repairs or replacements are necessary to restore the vehicle's functionality. After completing all troubleshooting and any necessary repairs, performing a final diagnostic check is critical. This ensures that no pending or confirmed DTCs, including P0722, have returned. Make sure to interpret the diagnostic data accurately to confirm that the system is operating normally. A verification process should include road testing the vehicle under several conditions to test the repair's success genuinely. The output shaft speed sensor's functionality must be observed thoroughly during various driving scenarios. By executing this verification step meticulously, you can be confident that the repairs address the problem effectively. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.